Are you aspiring to excel as a financial analyst or just curious about what it entails? Buckle up. Today, we're exploring the roadmap to mastering the essential financial analyst skills. Financial analysts operate in a complex environment that requires a blend of technical, analytical, and soft skills. Generally, they need accounting, technology, mathematical abilities, and analytical, problem-solving, communication, and interpersonal skills. Employers usually require a wide range of skill sets when hiring a financial analyst. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst channel if you find this video helpful. Excellent! Now it's time to examine the top skills that aspiring financial analysts need in their careers. Accounting is the language of finance, encompassing essential skills for successful financial analysts. It involves understanding accounting principles, managing cash flows, reviewing bookings, reconciling bank statements, and estimating budgets and forecasts. Understanding and interpreting the core financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and the accompanying footnotes is also crucial. Building and interpreting financial models is another fundamental skill. This involves using spreadsheets like Excel or integrated software to forecast future financial performance based on historical data and assumptions. Such models are usually used as decision-making tools, hence their importance. Besides, note that in finance roles, context is crucial. A top financial analyst grasps the broader economic landscape and the specific industry, staying updated on current events, regulations, and market trends, and foreseeing competitive shifts. So far, so good. What else? Nowadays, technology is an analyst's best friend. Beyond Excel, mastering tools like SQL for data queries or Hyperion, SAP, and QuickBooks for financial data can set you apart. Similarly, technical skills include the ability to learn new software or applications that may be necessary for performing effectively as a financial analyst. With these skills at their fingertips, financial analysts can gauge and solve problems, utilizing strategic planning and analysis of financial resources, markets, and products, steering their companies toward informed and sound financial decisions. All right, in the fast-paced world of finance, structure isn't just beneficial, it's vital. That's why organized skills are crucial for financial analysts, because they may be required to keep track of financial records and the current processes of a business. It's about ensuring every piece of information is where it needs to be. Deadlines are met with precision, and workflows operate like well-oiled machines. But remember, within the vast landscape of finance, the devil is often in the details. Financial analysts deal with vast amounts of data, so ensuring accuracy is vital. Small mistakes can lead to significant financial and strategic repercussions, so the ability to spot the details is critical. Precision isn't just a skill, it's an imperative. Yet, being a financial analyst isn't solely about numbers, and financial analysis is not just a number-crunching exercise. It's about painting a picture with those numbers, conveying your findings, and building strong professional connections. Because at its core, financial analysis thrives on clarity of communication and the strength of the relationships built. Financial analysts often face ambiguous situations and must think critically to derive insights from the data, identify potential challenges, and recommend solutions. Therefore, analysts use critical thinking to navigate complex situations and solve financial challenges. Similarly, gaining investors for a company may rely on an analyst's ability to develop creative solutions to financial issues. In a nutshell, the ability to recognize financial problems, plan, prioritize, and rank the solutions are all qualities of an effective financial analyst. It's worth noting that the importance of these skills can vary depending on the specific role or sector in which the analyst operates. For example, investment banking, corporate finance, equity research. Every analyst's journey is unique, and while these skills are foundational, the financial world is ever evolving. Given the rapidly changing financial landscape, continuous learning and adaptability are also essential. So, how do you improve your financial analyst skills? As you advance in this field, you can enhance your skill set and cultivate new financial analyst skills in many ways. Theory matters, as do accompanying certificates. Consider pursuing advanced degrees, like an MBA or a Master's in Finance. Entertain obtaining professional certifications, like the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, or Certified Public Accountant, CPA, that enhance your credibility and knowledge base. Mastering theory is undoubtedly essential for job applications, but knowing how to apply various concepts in real-world business situations is what gets you hired. In this sense, financial modeling is a vital skill to acquire and constantly improve. Of course, the more models you build, the more proficient you become. Start with basic discounted cash flow, DCF, models, and progress to more complex ones. Numerous online platforms offer courses specifically tailored for financial modeling. It may seem intuitive, but staying current with industry trends often sets you apart from your competitors. Employers want to see you're interested in your work, so show them your dedication and enthusiasm. Subscribe to publications like the Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, or Bloomberg. Joining professional organizations like the CFA Institute or the Global Association of Risk Professionals can be an excellent source of the latest industry updates. Okay, what additional skills are financial analysts expected to have? In today's tech-driven world, sharpening your technical skills is a must. Mastering Excel remains an essential tool. Dive deep into advanced formulas, pivot tables, and macros. Acquaint yourself with such programming languages as Python or R, which are becoming integral in financial data analysis. You'll often need to explain complex financial data in simple terms to stakeholders. Enhance your presentation and communication skills. Foster a mindset that doesn't just accept data at face value, but probes it for deeper understanding. In finance, seeking feedback is as essential as completing the task itself. So feel free to regularly ask peers, supervisors, or mentors for feedback on your analyses. They might offer new perspectives or techniques you hadn't considered. Networking is a crucial skill that fosters mutually beneficial interactions. If you know how to build and maintain relationships with various stakeholders, you're a step closer to achieving your goals. So, engage with professionals within and outside your organization. They can provide insights, opportunities for collaboration, or even job opportunities that can enhance your experience. Last but not least, real-world experience matters. Internships and job rotations can provide exposure to various aspects of financial analysis. Volunteer for or seek out projects that challenge your current skill set. Improving your skills as a financial analyst is a blend of continuous learning, hands-on experience, and staying abreast of industry changes. With dedication and commitment to excellence, you can establish yourself as a top-tier analyst in the financial world. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. We'll continue to share career videos to help you on your journey to landing your dream job. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform.